All right, what's up, guys? Anthony here, Special Analysis. Welcome to the video. Taking a look at the profit pack here, S&P 500. Guys, let me tell you something. If you're trying to trade the chop, all you're going to do is chop your account up, right? For me, I must have complete conviction that the trade I'm about to take is worth the risk I am going to put to work. That's what we are, right? We are risk managers, asset managers, stewards of our own trading accounts or of funded accounts or whatever it may be. Now, the Profit Pack will help you simplify the process of identifying, qualifying, and executing trade opportunities. I'm a futures trader. You can use this software on anything that populates on NinjaTrader. Stocks, futures, Forex, cryptocurrencies. You can even use it to take the information to the options market. So, guys, it really comes down to identify, qualify, execute. All right, I mentioned that already. I want to cover exactly what that looks like. If you're trying to trade this, where my cursor is, you are going to get slaughtered. You should be proving every trade setup to meet the standards of which your trade plan defines it should be. As you can see, we put in a very simple floor that every time the sellers came to this area, we kept getting what? Rejection, right? We had descending highs. The buyers push through, come back to retest, and then ultimately push through, placing a higher high. Good sign that now the buyers are potentially in charge. I simply drew another trend line. I connected it to 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on the way up. All right? We're normally looking for at least a minimum of 3. That's a pretty strong trend line. Okay? You can sometimes work with 2, but really 3 is what sets it on pace to give you the opportunity that you can trade off of it. Right? Notice here on this trend line down, 1, 2, 3 touches. Okay, then we break it, we come back and retest it, experience a bunch of indecision, and ultimately push higher. Now, how do we use the Profit Pack, or how is it designed to be used? Trend change, which is identified right here by this blue arrow. Correction through the profit band, which is right here in this highlighted green circle. A trigger bar is printed, which looks like this doji style candle. We want consideration for entering the market at the top of that candle and placing a stop at the bottom of that candle. So we're looking for the first pullback in either a new uptrend or new downtrend. That's how it's designed to be used. This is for a pullback trader. Okay, you must have a trade plan devised to enter the market based on pullbacks. It doesn't matter what you're trading, stocks, futures, forex, crypto, options, whatever. This is designed to identify the first pullback in a new trend, okay? So that's the identify part. Now we need to qualify. I explained to you how I drew these very simplistic trend lines, guys. This is entry-level stuff. If you don't understand basic price action, all right, you got to get that part down first before you even have the faintest idea about trading, right? You should be proving yourself, your plan, and your abilities profitable in a paper or simulated style account before you ever risk $1 live in the market. And when you are ready to trade live, you should be trading with as small of contract or position size as possible, because there's going to be a new layer of emotions that now come in that we're not affiliated with paper trading. These are the steps to be successful. You know, I'm not just shooting this video so that you buy my product, right? Like, buy it, don't buy it, I don't care. What I care about is you understanding how the market works, because if you don't understand how the market works, you buying my product is absolutely worthless to you. Does me no service to see you fail, right? So we identify, we qualify, and then we execute. Enter at the top of the bar, stop at the bottom of the bar. Market climbs up. Every time the market continues to advance, making new highs, what do we want to do? We want to continue to pay ourselves because we once we've overtaken this prior high, we've now protected ourselves, meaning taking that stop from our entry and sticking it right here on top. Okay? So once we touch this prior high, which came in right over here, we want to take profit. We want to move our stop from the bottom of that candle to the top of that candle. From that point forward, every time a new trigger bar penetrates the profit band, we're going to advance our stop right here. The market's going to retake this prior high where you're going to take more profits. Perhaps you take more up here. That's up to you. And then you're going to take that stop from here and move it to here when it prints that other future trigger bar. Pay yourself, protect yourself. I can assure you, of all the methods of trading, that is the way to go. So if you want to learn more about the Profit Pack, how you can take it and use it and leverage it in your own trading, there's links below this video. I encourage you to click them, consume the content, send me a question with any emails you have, and I'd be happy to get you up and running. God bless, guys. I'll see you in the next video.